Does our nonprofit need to file a beneficial ownership information report? Well, the short answer is no. A lot of nonprofits are receiving solicitations in the mail or via email from companies that are trying to help them file their beneficial ownership information report for a fee. This BOI report, they're offering a fast, secure, and user-friendly service to help you file. The thing is that nonprofits generally are exempt from the BOI reporting. The Corporate Transparency Act provides 23 exemptions from the requirement to file a BOI report. Corporations exempt from tax under any paragraph of Section 501c are not required to file the report. So this exemption would cover a 501c3, 501c4, 501c5, 501c6, 501c7. That's just the most common ones, but any 501c organization would normally be exempt. The actual text of the law, I have a link here in the description below the video or on my blog post. The following types of nonprofits are exempt from BOI reporting: a church, charity, nonprofit entity, or other organization that's described in Section 501c, 527, 4947A1 of the Internal Revenue Code, that has not been denied tax-exempt status and that has filed the most recently due annual information return. That would be the Form 990, if it was required to file that. So basically they're saying if you're a 501c3 or 501c organization and you're caught up on your filings, then you're exempt from filing the BOI report. I've got another link here to a Wolters Kluwer. They are a very trustworthy provider of technical references. They have a nice web article on this with all the 23 exemptions. There are several other exemptions that apply to nonprofit associated entities as well. So why are some entities exempt? Well, it's either because they're already subject to strict regulations and the government already knows who the beneficial owners are, or in the case of a tax-exempt nonprofit, it's because there are no beneficial owners. Okay, the owners don't benefit from the nonprofit. The assets and revenue are dedicated to an exempt purpose, not to lining the pockets of the owners. And so the officers and directors also are already reported on the Form 990 filing. Okay, so that's the reason that they're exempt. Now there's a trap. What if the organization has lost its tax-exempt status because it failed to file its Form 990 for 3 consecutive years? Well, in that case, you remain exempt from BOI reporting for 6 months after you've lost tax-exempt status. However, if it takes longer than 6 months for you to get reinstated, you may have a filing requirement for BOI reports. So my suggestion would be that, first of all, I don't know how strict the IRS is going to be in enforcing this, but I would consult with a BOI reporting expert, and if that expert happens to be part of a law firm, that's probably even better. So best practice, stay current with your filings, Form 990 filings, and you should be just fine. All right, good luck.